We tried to
Yeah.
go to the Hoover Dam. We can't pass it because love has some kind of things that not should belong there.
You, not me.
They turn us around. We're not
Then
qualified to go
we
there,
hung up. Yeah.
so we end up just viewing the outside. But it's beautiful
Good.
view. It's nice. This is the Lake Mead water.
We go fishing
Fishing.
next time. Na.
Okay.
Ate Lottie, they go.
Fishing over there for bass.
But you need to get a license.
You just gotta get your permit. That's all.
Yeah.
You gotta go buy at the Walmart. Oh, did I say Walmart? That's advertising. So it's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful weather. Yeah, love.
Yes.
You see how the sun hitting us? That's vitamin D, E, C.
No, not. It's already 3 o'clock. No.
So what is the vitamin then?
Until only 10 o'clock, I think.
So what is the vitamin then if it's only 10 o'clock?
I don't know.
See? My vitamin's better. Better than she don't know. Okay, so just a little bit view again. It's very nice over here. Alright, let me turn you guys around. Maybe I should be out of focus. Oh, she's pointing at the bird.
Color green.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why you never get chance to go to the Hoover Dam?
You tell.
Because
Not me.
they don't let us go. They don't let us come in. They have security in there. You cannot fly drone. You cannot get into Hoover Dam with anything that is weapon. So when you do have weapons, they will let you turn around. So if you ever plan to go Hoover Dam, don't bring any weapon. That's tips of the day for you guys. Okay, love is seeing the view.
Hi.
Say hi.
I did. Hello.
It's beautiful. Beautiful view.
Turn it down. Turn it
I
down.
know. We should be on the back there.
It's blue, huh?
The water? Yeah, it's blue. It's nice. Blue water. As you guys can see all over.
Mano ba yan? Malalim yan.
I don't know. I can't swim, so I cannot really tell. But there's a big mark already on the water for supply that Lake Mead is going down and it's getting shallower.
Di ba yung Hoover Dam nagsusupay ng tubig sa Las Vegas?
That's where our water supply is, Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
We're getting our water from Colorado mountain river. I think, I'm not sure, but that's a tip of the day again. So if you guys live in Vegas, conserve water so that way someday we have more water to take a shower with, because right now it's drowning and getting shallow. Yeah.
It's cold.
Okay. Ready to go, love?
Yeah. Let's go up. Getting cold.
Skin cold?
Yeah.
No, you want to use the restroom. She said it's getting cold, but she want to use the restroom. Don't listen to her. If we leave, the thing we're going next is restroom. Say, let's find our nearest restaurant. All right, guys, we're gonna go restroom.
Because I drink coffee and water. You
See?
never me.
Told you. So that's the reason. Don't believe her getting cold part. She just wanna go
But it's
restroom.
cold. Why are you wearing a jacket if you're not cold?
Well, because I'm cold too.
Oh, see?
All right, see you guys. Peace out.